Largest vegetables as per world records. First of all, pumpkin, summer squash. The largest pumpkins weigh 116.4 kilogram. Number 2, cabbage, green cabbage. Weight is 62.71 kg. Number 3, zucchini. The weight of this 52 kilogram. Next, largest cucumber in the world. The weight of cucumber 12.9 kilogram. Next vegetable is carrot. The world largest carrot weight of this 10.17 kilogram. Next is jicama. The largest jicama in the world 21 kilogram. Next is potato. The largest potato in the world weight 11.3 kg. Cauliflower. The largest cauliflower world record 27.48 kilogram. Kale. The weight of this 48.04 kilogram. Next vegetable, radish. The weight of world largest radish 31 kilogram. Next is celery. The weight of this 42 kilogram. Next vegetable is sweet potato. The weight of world largest sweet potato 37 kilogram. Next is beet. The weight of world largest beet 23.995 kg. Next is turnip. The weight of world largest turnip 29 kilogram.